So this is the one where it says, not for the first time, an argument had broken out over breakfast at number 4 Privet Drive. So what sort of questions do you think you guys have about that one? So what questions do you want to be answered by the next bit of text? You guys can shout out any answers, yeah?
What they could be arguing about.
Yeah, exactly.
What they are arguing about this early in the morning.
Yeah, and another bit to focus on is the fact that it says not for the first time. So that could also prompt you to think, why have they been arguing before? Of the book or whatever it is, and then read us the opening line or just explain it to us.
This book is The Christmas Carol.
Oh, lovely.
The opening line. Marley was dead to begin with. There is no doubt whatever about that. That's the opening line. And
what type of opening line do we think?
Introducing the character that the reader wants to know more about. For example, who was Marley and why did he die?
Yeah. Yes, exactly.